Welcome to the scenic trail Everett. Nice woods, little bench, fencing, fields that feed us, and then somebody wanted logs. Lots and lots of them. So you can see here where the windbreak has been cut down for really no justifiable reason. This is the Everett Trail here, and up ahead there in the distance is the 6th concession. It turns into this dirt road here you see here. There's a wild beast. They roam freely here. So who had the license for this? Let's find out. That was a nice old tree, hey? Criminal. And here's more of what was cut from the previous cut. And that's the 6th. Here's another beautiful tree. Can't see a guy with any common sense wanting to cut that down. Okay, this was down in Alliston. Look at the size of that thing. That was down in Alliston. There would have been a fence up over it. There would have been people talking about it. It would have been in the news. But instead, they just hacked it down. Hacked it all down. See a couple more. Here's where they cut all the existing trees out of the park, because the park shouldn't have trees. Makes sense. go see if they took down my pine tree. And here's a big old pine tree I was talking about. Yeah, when are they going to cut that down?